A sudden storm. Realistic fiction. It started as a beautiful day for a hike. Nikki and her dad set out on a trail that wound through the woods behind their house. They were hiking to a farm nearby to watch the farmers care for their animals. The sun climbed higher in the sky as Nikki and her father walked. A nearby stream looked so inviting that they dipped their feet in to cool off. They got to the farm just before feeding time for the animals. Nikki pointed at a goat. "That one is so greedy! He's eating all the feed." "I think it's feeding time for us, too," Dad joked. The two of them unpacked their sandwiches and sat at a picnic table to eat. After lunch, they spent some more time on the farm. Then the sun began to lower in the sky. "We should leave before it gets too late," Dad said. "On hot, sticky days like this, we often get thunderstorms by evening." Sure enough, dark clouds were present in the sky by the time they got home. They went inside to wait for the storm to pass. "Lightning mostly strikes taller things," Dad explained. "That's why it's wise to stay away from trees during a storm." Outside, the wind howled and lightning lit the dark sky. A branch snapped off a tree and blew across the yard. "I see what you mean," Nikki said. Loud thunder sounded in the distance, and it made Nikki jump. Before long, it thundered again, but this time, she wasn't as scared. All of a sudden, Nikki saw her dog Button dash under the couch in a blur of fur. Dad laughed. "Button isn't quite as brave as you are."